We like the idea of using polished concrete for the steps leading from the house down to the new extension. We wanted it to feel quite grand. So our design idea was essentially that we would be carving away the ground to reveal solid steps and the floor of the extension. So considering different materials, we felt that that wouldn't really work with something like wood or tiles, because they would feel more like a skin that we'd applied to the subfloor, whereas solid concrete really felt like a solid material into which we had carved our steps. And whilst thinking about that, we thought it'd be quite cool to wrap one of those steps around that chimney to create a hearth, and then carry on that journey to create a seating area, all in polished concrete.